Good morning, world. I'm here in Anopoli at my apartment building, and we are getting ready for our morning hike. We're going to hike up to Kanya. It's going to be like an hour, maybe a little more than an hour. So that's going to be my workout of the day. So stay tuned for more of that. Whew. All that, we just walked down, still walking down, going all out the way down. So we found the face in the rock.
Only a face in motherfucker.
So update, we are still going down this mountain, and Andres gonna throw a rock at the
They can make it
face.
in that hole over there?
Try.
No, too far to the left.
You were off. It was the wind's fault.
In the hole!
Very nice.
And then all of a sudden the goat started screaming out.
And we're almost to, where are we going? Lutso? Lutro. This is where the booty is. We made it to the end of the mountain. wishes they could be at the beach. Heading to Sfakia on ferry from Utrecht. Welcome to Sfakia.
Like James Bond.
Look at this. It's so funny, we're all holding up our ice creams that we're getting.
You can have it.
Mom, can I have this?
The ice cream?
Can I have ice cream? I promise I'll finish my dinner later.
I'll eat all my vegetables.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.